Scrum is an agile framework for developing, delivering, and sustaining complex products. It is based on an iterative and incremental approach to software development, and emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. Scrum is widely used in software development but can be applied to any project that involves complex work, such as product development, marketing, or research. The Scrum framework consists of several roles, events, and artifacts. The roles include the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The events include sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. The artifacts include the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increment. The product owner is responsible for defining and prioritizing the work that needs to be done, based on customer needs and business goals. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the Scrum events and helping the team to work effectively. The development team is responsible for delivering a potentially releasable increment of the product at the end of each sprint. Sprint planning is an event where the team plans the work for the upcoming sprint. The daily Scrum is a daily stand-up meeting where the team shares progress and plans for the day. The sprint review is an event where the team demonstrates the work that was completed during the sprint. The sprint retrospective is an event where the team reflects on the previous sprint and identifies ways to improve. The product backlog is a prioritized list of features and requirements that need to be developed. The sprint backlog is a list of tasks that the team plans to complete during the sprint. The increment is the sum of all the completed product backlog items at the end of the sprint.